Achi and Chandni, Durga Chandni. Is there other one? Not in the meeting, I think. Okay, guys. So today is the last section. Okay, we finished the bootstrap with a project. Okay, we're designing a project. It's a lively way of designing, particularly something a bar and like collapse, like something carousel, all these things. We have already created that one. We need to manage these things in that properly wise. Like at first we need navigation bar, and next after that we need a carousel, and next after that whatever information you need, you have to design in that one. I will show you that after that. So today we are discussing some of the property we are left from that bootstrap. Before that, I will show you. I will like solve the problem, like getting this problem like card. In the card we are getting some problem. I will designing using the css. You need to write something css inside that. Okay, so let's see how it's look. Now in fine. Okay, say first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. Okay, and we are adding that one as well in that our live project. Okay, don't worry. So yeah, I will not set the screen, sorry for that. Yeah. Yeah. So in the card, we are getting something problem inside, right? So I will resolve that. Open. Is my screen is visible to you guys?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. So this is the things we are designing previously. So like it will be in that taking block line means one arrow, one row, but I will do that by using something CSS. What are the CSS? Width, height, display, main, like margin, right, margin top. This thing I will use inside that. Okay, so now it's look good. Okay, it's like a something you have to buy now, or like add card, whatever you need, you have to design. Okay, if you want to design something card, when you click the add card, it will be like add in the particularly in that card. Then you have to use the CS, like JavaScript. Then you have to use. Okay, so let's start. So today we are discussing something other classes. In that, if you designing something, if you want to give that border, we have in the border. Wait, another one, wait. Classes, new classes. Okay, n class dot HTML. Okay, so in that I need something CSS, CSS and JavaScript, all the file, bootstrap file. So I'll copy that one. I'll paste inside that. Okay, done. So next thing, designing something. Yeah, class done. So you have to write the class container fluid or container whatever you need. Container fluid. Okay. In that, if I give a picture image, and inside if I give something a source like a picture inside, if I give that one, it's like a fish. Okay. And let's see how it look. Next I will show you. It look a much bigger. Then I need a height and width. Height it's like a something 200 pixel, and it's like width we require 200 pixel. Okay, that's all. Got a pen. Yeah, it's look fine now. So next, if I want to add like border radius, then I need to use the classes inside class. If you need border, then you need to use the border we have, and border one or two, like it's like thickness you have to use. Okay, border one, and we have to use like a border primary, border secondary, whatever color you need, you have to use. Danger, if I using danger. Okay, in the color, but it's not showing much bigger. I will change that one. It's 5. Now it's fine. Now it's fine. So have you looked at one? It's like a something border we are creating only one class by like a 3 class we are using border 5, and like
Yeah, good
what are the
evening,
color you
everyone.
want you have to. Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, Jitendra sir, hi,
Hello.
it's Karthik.
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Okay, Jitendra, what is the batch size?
It's like 20.
So, why students are not here?
uh, like other has a many exam is there, and there is an assignment in that college, that's why it's not attending there. I will contact
Okay,
you before that, but they told me we have exam and
Good evening, sir.
good evening. Okay, so they have informed you earlier or what?
Yes, sir.
yeah,
I'm informed
they
the
not.
Maria ma'am and Kanika ma'am and Jitendra sir too because I have my assignments and so I can't attend this. So sir asked me to uh, join the meet and organize the meet and I would handle it. So I, sir, sorry sir
Okay,
for that.
okay, fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you so
Uh,
much.
s- okay, please continue.
Yeah. So guys, today yeah, we are designing border. Okay, border is like a border 5, and border danger. Okay, so next, if you want like something border radius in between that particular image, then you have to use border radius. Border rounded we have there, you can use as any of the particularly rounded we have there, and like a circle. Okay, so if I using rounded, have you observed that one? It's like edge will be something in the rounded. Okay, if you require something a rounded circle, then you have to use the rounded circle. Okay, it's not showing, wait 2 minutes. Yeah, it's rounded now. Okay, fully rounded. If you want something, edge will be something like a left side or right side, or like a bottom side, or left bottom, or like right bottom. If you want to change the like border radius, then you have to use rounded top, rounded bottom, all these things you have to use. And one thing is that if you are designing something for like a big picture, or like a something a small picture, that in that situation you have to use rounded SM small, rounded, large for like a large size of image. And if you want to use something a medium size of picture, then you have to use, it's like a MD. Okay, it's a rounded MD. I hope you got this point. If there any doubt, you can ask me. So next thing we have to go. Uh, yeah. So in the border classes, we have, you know that if you're designing something a border, then you have to use border. It's like a 1 pixel solid, or like a something picture like color inside that. But we are given that particularly border 5 is the thickness of that particularly, and border danger is the color of that. Okay. If you want to apply another color, then you have to use primary, secondary, and like warning and info, whatever you need, you have to use these things. Okay, so next thing is that if you want to apply only one side of the particularly in the border, it's like a border left, border right, border top, border bottom, then you have to use border top, border bottom. If I using like something border top, okay, and border top 5. Have you observed that one? Only one side it will be marked in that, marked in that like red color. It's like a danger color, but other was not there. Okay, so if you want to apply any of the particularly like left, right, top, bottom, then you have to use particularly in that top, bottom. Okay, I hope you got this point. So next thing is that uh, I think I already informed you that like in that 4.6 Bootstrap 4.6, we are using for like a margin, for margins right ML, and margin left R for that margin left. Okay, margin right, margin left, and margin bottom, it's margin M, and margin top we are using MT. Okay, I will write inside that comment, then you have to got an idea about that. Wait. So in that 4.6 version of the Bootstrap, before version, it's not a update version. We are using the update version. It's like 5 point something. Okay. So in the previous we have uh, for margin. Okay. So margin top we are using MT, and it's not a capital. I will write in the capital. You have to write in the small. Okay. Margin bottom like MT. Okay, and margin left have to write ML, and margin right. Okay, it's MR. But now it's like 5.0 version or something, or 2 versions I think. So in that, like top bottom is same, but in that right now in that margin left, margin right, it's changing. Margin left and margin right. Margin right. Okay, so first thing is margin left. In that margin left we are writing MS. It's margin start. If you want to write in the left side, then you have to use MS for margin start. If you want to use margin right, then you have to use MP. There is nothing in that like a something one letter like character will be changed. It's like S or like E. S for start, E for end. Nothing will be. Okay, I hope you got this point. So next thing is that we are using something a padding inside that, right? Like padding 10 pixel whatever we are using inside that. So if you need something a padding, then you have to use P for padding. Okay, I will write inside padding. Padding is P. Okay, if you want to use padding right, padding top, padding bottom, then you have to use PL, PVP, all these things you have to use. Okay, it's padding left, okay, and padding right, and padding we have top, bottom. Okay, so next we have to discuss like in the display in the before like CSS we are using something display. It's like a position. Sorry, display is like a display inline, display block, display flex, display table. All this we are using. But now, if you want to use something a flex box, then you have to use display flex. In the flex we have many like attribute are there, classes are there, but in the Bootstrap we are designing that part by using d flex. D flex, it means display flex. Display flex. Okay, it's very interesting. Wait. Okay, display flex. Next is that if you want to use like a something d inline flex, then you have to use d inline flex. Okay, it's like a display inline flex, and we have something DMSM for small flex. Okay, DMD flex. Okay, and DLG flex for large. Okay, these things are there. Okay, so I think you understand what are the like display property are there in that Bootstrap things. Okay, and we are using something display direction. Display direction is row, column, and row reverse. Row like column reverse we are using before that in the CSS. But in that Bootstrap we are using something classes inside that. What is the classes we are using? Flex row, and we have flex reverse. Sorry, flex row reverse and column reverse. Uh, uh, e- yeah. Next is flex column. Okay, and flex column reverse. Okay, done. So flex row reverse, flex column reverse, and flex, column, reverse and column. Okay, these things are there. And for like justify content, we are using like a justify content space between, space around, space evenly we are using for that. What is the class we need to use inside that Bootstrap? So we are using justify content start. Okay, and we are using justify content end. I will copy that one better. So justify end, and we have justify center, and in that we have justify in between, justify content between. Okay, and we have around. These things are in that Bootstrap we are using the flex property. Okay? And we have alignment also there, like align item, start, and we have start end, start end. Okay. First one is start, and second one is alignment item end, and next one is like something centered. Okay, and it's fourth one, it's baseline we are using, and fifth one we are using speech. Okay, these things we are using for Bootstrap purpose. If you're designing something, a properties like a text property for responsive designing. Okay, and you know that we are using something a left side, right side, like float we are using. But now in the Bootstrap, how we can use that float? We are using in the class is float left and float right, and we have float none. These things we are using. I hope you got this idea about all the concept, whatever we are discussing in that Bootstrap. It's like the flex property, and we are going to that border, margin, padding, all these things we have to, you need to remember while designing the website, because every of the classes need anywhere, because if you're designing something in that particularly carousel or like anything in that situation, you need. Okay, so if you any doubt regarding any of the particularly in that concept, it's like something flexbox, like something in that display or like padding margin, you can ask me, I will give you 1 minute for that. Next we have to move forward, like we have to designing a live project for that, and we are designing something at navigation bar, carousel, all these things. Yeah, you can ask me any if you any doubt. Yeah, justify. Okay, I will do it. Justify means justify. Okay, but in that justify content start, justify content end, what is that? I hope you are asking me that question, right? Rashiva, are you there? Yeah, are you asking me like a justify content end, start, like center? Okay, so if you're designing something a flex box inside, so in that particularly we are using for that, I will show you the picture wise, so you have to got an idea about. Wait. Yeah, so these things we are using in that flex box. I hope you like seen these things. Justify content. In the justify content, we have flex start, flex end, center, and space between. All these things are there. Flex start means if you this item, every of that particularly item. So if we have like 3 items inside, so it started from that particularly in that GeoPixel. If you want like a flex end, then it will be started from the right side. Okay, if you want center, then it will be center. And if you're designing something that space between, then it's like a in between we are getting the space of the every item. Okay, and space around means, have you observed that one, like what are the difference between space between and space around? We are getting space around like a left, right, top, bottom, but in that space between we are not getting in that like top, bottom, and like right left. Only we are getting in between that. It's like two in the two item. What are the in between? We are getting that particular space, and space evenly. Space evenly means like evenly space will be divided. That space and that space, and all the space will be evenly. It's like a not odd, it's even. Okay, I hope you got this point. If you any, still further you have any doubt, you can ask. Sir, I have an exam. It's from 6:45. Can I leave the class? Yeah, sure, Rani ma'am. Thank you so much. So let's start a project. We are already designing something. It's taking like 40 minutes or 30 minutes to designing a project. It's like something live project. Okay. We are not designing the every part of that particular home page, about page, and contact page. We are designing something. You got an idea like how project will be built inside that, like in that uh, client side. Like if you go to any company, it's like a corporate, then you have to how you need to designing. I will give you a basic idea about that. So let's start. We are already designing the carousel, collapse, all these things. We need to copy that one and place inside that. And what are the things you require for that? We are designing separately. Okay. So let's start. We are designing today. It's like a something restaurant page. It's like something you have to order this any of the particular item you need, you have to order. So we are given the particular static page because we don't have any server side programming though. So we are designing something a starting inside. If you want something a particularly form application or like anything we are, so you have to a that particularly. Okay, so let's start. I will design the project.html. Okay. So next thing I need a CSS for that. I will write the CSS in between that as well. Project.css. Okay. If you like we want, you need like something a JavaScript page, then you have to create that particularly. Okay, don't need that still now. So first thing we are giving the particularly project as title, or you can write as like my project. Okay. So next thing we have to given the particularly all the bootstrap link we have, like we have to link the file. You can use any of the CDN link if you want. Okay. And next you need to a classes for that. For we are designing using bootstrap, so you need a container. Okay. And first one we need the navigation bar, right? So if you need navigation bar, then you have to we are designing the something navigation bar, right? Okay, navigation, not navigation. Where is that? Yeah, that one we are designing. So this is a responsive navigation bar we are creating. So I will like once again I will like teach you what are things we are using inside that. Nothing will be like previously we are using something navigation, nav bar expand, all these things we are using. First thing we are using navigation. It's then nav tag we are using inside. So first thing you have to use the class name. It's navigation bar, nav bar expand, large warning. It's like a something color we are using for that, and it's like a BG dark. We are using the color as well. Okay, and text will be light, and we need a container fluid. Inside we are designing a home. For that it's a branding. Okay, you have to use the logo. If you want any of the particular logo, then you have to use the particular logo. If you want to designing something a like text by the text, if you want to keep the particular logo, then you have to use the particular logo inside. So next thing is that we are designing the particularly button. It's a toggle button. What is toggle button? Means when you open that in that mobile version, it's like a laptop. If I open that one, I will show you. Wait. Yeah. When I open that inspect, okay, and if I go there, it's like something Moto Galaxy, and if I move that one, it's like a 140 pixel. Okay, this one is that this icon. Have you observed that one? It's a not light color. I will change that color. Wait. Okay, so we are getting that particularly logo inside. So that logo, if you want to open particular that website in that uh, like any mobile device or like any iPad device, then it's show in that form. Okay, when I close that button, it will close and open, close, all these things are there. Okay, so first thing, we are creating that part and we have to go light. Let's see how it look. Yeah, now it's look better as compared to other. Have you observed that one? We are getting an icon. So for that icon, you have to use button. It's navigation, navbar toggle, toggler, and navbar toggler icon. Okay. In that Bootstrap, we have many icon. It's like a, if you want to use any particularly a foundation icon, it's better. If you don't want to use any foundation icon, then you have to use but like a Bootstrap icon we have there. Okay, so next thing is like if when you click that button, it's like a toggle button, toggle icon button, then it's collapse. Okay, we are adding collapse, all these things we are writing inside, and like a neb item, and we are creating all these things previously. So it's like a sub menu we are creating. Okay, so I will copy that all the part, then I paste inside. Wait. Yeah, so you're writing the comment, you have to write why we need to comment inside, because if you go to the corporate, it's like many of the developer are there. So you are the one of the developer, you are designing something, a website, a project. Okay, in that, any after your development, any of the senior, like you are the front end, another was the back end. So in that situation, if after you're designing, like this project will be give you that particularly a back end developer, so they he or she will be understand these things, what are the thing you need to write inside that. So I need to write inside, I will using navigation bar, right? So it's nav bar. So when any of that particularly coder or developer see that code, my code, it's understand. Yeah, this is navigation bar. Start. You have to use start. Okay, and copy that comment, and you have to write. Okay. And first thing, we are changing that restaurant. What are the restaurant we are giving particularly? Okay, I will give you something. R R party. Okay. Yeah, RT. Okay. So next thing, I need a logo. Okay, let's see how to look. Yeah, I think it's not logo. Yeah, that one logo. I've used that part. It's like something logo inside, and we need a home button. Home. Okay. And next thing, we are require that our mm, item items. Okay, and it's like a something you can write. It's like a veg. Okay, and we have non-veg as well. Non-veg, and it's like a, we are designing something the particular, let's say, snacks. Okay, or now we are designing contact, all these things are there, and we are need to add something in that. So I will copy and I'll paste inside. It's like we require a login button, or you can write a register button. Okay, so inside the register button, I need a ID for that, because I want to use a model in that inside when I click that register button. So I need a register for that. Register. Okay, done. Open that part in the project. That project. Yeah. So we done all the part. I think. Let's see how it look. Party. Okay, I need to change that part. It's my blog. Okay. Look good, but like, have you also that one? It's like a gap in between that. It's the past part and next part. When you have to use container fluid, it's better. Okay, great. Now, so we are getting bhes, non-bhes, nuts, all these things, and we are getting a source box inside. All these things are there particularly. Okay, and yeah, done, done. Okay, register. Wait. Yeah. So we are creating carousel before that, right? So where is the carousel? That's one carousel. So all the part is carousel. So I will copy that carousel part and we have start the carousel. Okay. And we need to close that part. So part B is there, right? Yeah. It look good now. But we are getting 1, 2, 3. I will not require. I will remove this part. If you want later, then you have to comment out these things. It's better. In the future, you will be required. Okay, we are designing, but we are not giving any picture inside because we don't have any picture still. If you any picture, you can add like bit later. Okay, not issue. So next thing, we are require any of that particularly card, right? So we are designing the card before. Wait, I will. Yeah, it's like card. We have to use. We can use like item start. Okay, and we are designing the card. Where is the card? Yeah, this one is the card, and we have to copy the card part. This is the card part we are using. So application project. So card part we have done, and we are writing that one. It's like card item. What is the thing we are writing before? This one, and we have, yeah, item start. Okay, I will write that item end. Copy and inside end. Okay, and if you need something like a card one, and you have to write it's card two for understanding purpose, you have to write. And copy these things, and I'll just card three. Wait, card three, and we have card four, and it's card five. Okay, be done. So let's see how it look. It look in that before as a, because we are not using any particularly classes still now. So we need to use the classes before. So what are the classes we need? That part. Okay. So I'll copy and I will add the project, and I need to link that particularly project.css. So before you have to go in the first, and you have to link that particularly. Wait. Yeah. We have to write link CSS. Inside we need project.css. Okay. Now look, it's better now, right? So next thing, if you need more than that, then you have to use. We need a like something or like three card item for that. So you have to copy any of that particularly and you paste. It's better. So passing is that this one we have to use. Okay, and this one is that card six, card six, card seven, card eight. Card 8 and yeah 7, and we require another one. It's a 4 item is there, that's why we need another one like something. part. Done. So we need to change the price. All these things we have to change. Very. So now we're designing that particularly, and we need to change that picture. All these things before that. So we go to that first one. It's like a first one. Where is that? Yeah. So it's like part of the picture we are using. First thing is fish. Okay. So next we have fried fish fry, and it's like something 450. Okay, it's the one fish fry price. Okay, and if you want something more details, or if you want to give that description in between that, then you can. Okay, not issue. So first thing we are designing, and we have to change the picture at this two, and you have to identify that particularly. Same picture. What happened? Dish two. Okay, same picture we are using inside. Okay. One, and we are using something. Change the price 600, and we need to change that particular dish. Let's 217. Okay, it's the prawn. It's like something really different. I need to change that particularly a 1, 2, 3, right? Our next part. So don't worry, I will change soon. In this we have 14, and we have this 11. Okay, and this one is that this 10. Okay, yeah, wait 2 minutes, it's coming soon. Okay, so we're designing all the part, and we have to change that part. Wait, so first thing fish fry, and this one is the prawn. Wait. Okay, so next we are go to that is the pizza. You can write it like pizza, sorry, pizza. And next thing, what are they using? We are using. You can change the price. It's like a 1500, and this one is that something 45. Okay, and if you want to use something a different button, then you have to add the button. Wait, it's add to cart, and order now. You can write order now. Order now. I will change that particularly, and I will add other one as well. Order now. How it's look? Let's see. Okay. Okay, I will using one picture because we need to write the CSS as well, so don't need that. Okay, we done all the part. So next we have to designing a row and column. So first thing we need to write item n. Next we have to go div, and in the div we are writing class. It's class row, and in that particularly I have to write a div. Inside I'm using class. Class is like call. We have to write it 6 md6. We are divide two like one row in two column. two part. It's like a column 7 because yeah, sorry, 6 you have right, because the whole row part is divided into 12 column, right? So 6 is 12. So we are divide that part at 6 is 12. Then we need a h1 part, h1 heading, like you have to write our menu, okay. And we have to designing something, ptech lorem 100, okay, done. And we have to designing, yeah, how it look, let's see. Okay, divided two part. Okay, I need that paragraph will be justify, so I need to write class justify or the justify center, sorry, it's text center or text justify you have to write. Okay. So next thing, I need a picture. Picture, it's like something I will using image inside dot slash, and I will using something picture. From the picture, where the picture is there, let's put graphs mobile. Okay. Mobile offer. Okay, I will using a music one we have there, I think. There's the music. Music is not there. Dancer, okay, dancer. So height you have to add like a something 500 pixel, and width it automatically do that. Okay. Okay, it's good now. If you need a small picture, then you have to use that one. Its height, it's 400, whatever you need. Okay, and if you want something width will be width 100%, it's better. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's not look good. Okay, much good, but you can change that height. It's like a something 90 or 80. Okay, for understanding purpose. Okay, so if you want something color in between that, then you have to use like class, and like in that you have to use text danger. And if you require any particularly uh, color for that, you have to use the color. If you want like a black color, then you have to use text light and pg dark. Okay, and next we have to designing that footer part. Wait, our menu, okay, and all these part are there. And next we have to designing that footer. Okay, so footer, it's like a row. You have to write our menu as well. Our menu start, this one is end. You can add any of that particularly animation inside. We are already discussed that one. Okay, you have to add. Don't have that much time to add. So next thing we have to cover. Yeah. So footer part. Footer. Okay. That footer we are divided into class. It's row. Okay. And we need to divide that part. It's like something division. And each division we are divided like 4 parts. It's like 3. Okay, so call MD key. Okay, so I will copy once again. It's one part, two part, and second part, third part, fourth part. Okay, we done. So next thing we have to designing something. We have to go to the Amazon website and you have to identify the what are the content we need to add in the in between that like footer. Okay, and if you're designing something a client website, they will provide you a picture like a template for designing that. Don't no need to worry about that. Okay, what is that? Yeah. Yeah, we have get to know. Okay, first one is get to know about us career. So you have to write as h2 get to know, and we are using for span. You have to use span, and we have career and other things part of there. CREERS. And we have press release, Amazon press release, span, press release. Okay, and you have to use your own as well. So next thing is Amazon cares. You can write that what are the things we are using for that. So I think art party care, uh, party care. Yes. Okay. Then passing is done. If you go there, okay, you have to got that part say career press release art party. It's not in that below, so you have to use another one. It's like D. It's better. D for that, and in that you have to copy paste. Use capital press release, and if you want something a anchor tag in between that, then you have to use anchor tag. Okay, then you have to give a particularly link as well, not issue. Let's see how it looks. Look at now. So if you don't want that much, then you have to use for it's like something that no. Okay. Then I will copy and I will change that font like a content. It's better. It's taking much time for that. So first thing is we have to add connect with us, right? You can use any particularly icon for that. Connect with us. Okay, and it's Facebook and WhatsApp. You can write Insta. Instagram, and we have Twitter. Okay, we done. Money making with us, no need. Okay, so next part we need our service. Our services. Okay, and you need like a something uh, online order, online order, and we have tried any of that particularly customer care. Okay, and we have other one is that what are the things we have there. Okay, I will add address as well inside. Okay. So 1 to 1, 1 to 3, it's like a third floor, third floor. Okay, it's like something Hyderabad. Teleportation. Okay. So it's like you have to write like a something pin number. Okay, any of the pin number you want. So next you have to write Hyderabad, Telangana. But you need to use the BR tag for break the line. BR for break the line, and this one is a break. Okay, and we done all the part. Okay, our subjects, all these things are done, and we have to create a form. Okay, and we have to create a form like so. First thing we have to use the form. Okay, so wait, form, and in that contact us, you have to write inside any query. You can write this any query, query, and form. Inside you have to use the label, and in that you have to use the name, txt name, txt name, and I need a input box, input for that text, and I need a class for that class, like form control, and I will copy that one and just contact number, contact number. Okay, and next we have to control to be done. Next, if you want something a selector, then you have to use the selector. Like you can write your city. Okay, and in that you have to use that selector. Select. In the selector, you have to use the class name. It's form control. Control. Okay. And in the form control, you need input. Sorry, not input. Inside, you have to write the option. Option like Hyderabad. Any of them if you need. Okay. So next is like Mumbai. Mumbai, Bhubaneswar. Don't think spelling mistake like something maybe spelling mistake because it's like something 7:10, so you maybe have another class, so you need to understand. Okay, so next is like we have Delhi. Next thing we have Bangalore, we have there, and Goa and AP, Andhra Pradesh. I will write the shortcut inside. So next we have UP, and we have SP, like not we have right Kolkata. Okay, we done all the part. Let's see how it looks. It look good now. Okay, have you observed that one? It's look good, but I need a submit button for that. If you want to divide that particularly each part, then you have to write a div inside. You can use div, and in the div you have to write the class row. Okay, and each row will be divided into column. That's call MD6. Okay, then you have to put down that one and div and put down that part as well. Let's see how it looks now. Okay, name, its contact number, Hyderabad, you have to select, and you need a button, right? So you have to write the button, and you can write any of that. Particularly, we have text area, okay, and for text area you have to write the form control as well, class form control, and submit. Or you can write any query for that level, UERY query. Okay. And next I will button I need submit, and I need a cancel button for that. Class btn primary, okay, and we need class btn info. Okay, then all the part done. It look much bigger. You can change the color as well. So you have to go to that footer part. Where is the footer part? We have the series footer part. Then search row menu. Okay, this one. Yeah, you have to use PG, dark, and text white or light. If you want another color, then you have to use the style. Okay, CSS. Yeah, we done all the part. If you need smaller, then you can change that smaller as well. Wait, or we change the smaller as possible. Column 30. We are required a row. Okay, I will change the row. It's like something 8, or you can write 5. Let's see how it look. Yeah, it look better now. Okay, so next you can change the color as well. It's like a something on header part, footer part, whatever you need. It's navigation part. Where is that? It's navigation part. Sorry, it's like busy light we are using, right? So you have to use busy dark. Okay, content will be now showing. That's why you need to write like a light as well. It's better, and you have to edit in the CSS as well. Okay, we're designing that particularly a basic like a website for that. Okay, it look good for that, for the like a website purpose, and it's a responsive as well, because we are designing menu and a card. All these things are responsive in that Bootstrap, so it's automatically responsive designing. Maybe the card will be different because we are need to designing something better for that. Wait. Yeah, it's fully responsive. Okay, and you have to click that part, and when you click that part as well, it's base one base and snaps, all these things will be sort you, and it's like we are getting the picture. And this one is the responsive designing, our menu, our picture, and get to know, connect with us, our service, and we have any query. Okay, all the part are there. Okay, I hope you got this point, how we need to designing a particularly website for responsive designing. Okay, using Bootstrap. If any doubt, you can ask me. Any of the topic like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, whatever you have, you can ask. Having another class, sir. Yeah, Harmanjot, you can leave. Not issue. That's leaving already. Okay. Anyone have any doubt, guys? Prachi ma'am, any doubt? Prachi, Ukta. Okay, great. Okay. So today, still after 2 minutes, I will assign you a project for that, and I will assign you that project as well, whatever we are designing today itself. So you have to complete your major project, and you have to need to submit your PPT, whatever you done in that last 45 days. Sir, I want recording to the of the class. Okay, you need to contact the HR. They will be providing. Okay, no issue. Any other have any issue, you can add in the chat box, so I will resolve that, because it's a today is the last class. If you're in doubt regarding still your like internship completed, you can message me on the WhatsApp. I will resolve that, what are the issue you are getting for that. It's like a major project, and whatever issue you are getting, not an issue. Okay. And but now tomorrow onwards, we are also provide you a task for that assignment as well. Still your intensive completed, you need to complete and you need to submit. Okay. And one thing is that you have to submit the 45 days training program. What are the things you have to learn, and what are the things you have to uh, designing for the whole 45 days, and you need to submit the PPT. What are the expense you are getting from that particularly creative education, and our like software as a trainer, how your expense about that, and how if you're getting any particularly not understanding, whatever you need you have, you can write in the PPT. They will give you like yeah, it's classes is better or classes is ugly, whatever you have to write. Okay, not issue. Yeah, thank you so much guys for your 45 days in the session, and best for the future you have. And continue your study and get a job, get a better future as well. And if you want to be a businessman, then you have to got a better idea, better opportunity for that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. Yeah. So give your attendance, then you can leave. Thank you so much. There is no class tomorrow onwards. You have to complete the assignment.